In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way you can style your natural hair using Kinky extension. Okay, so right about now I'm just moisturizing my hair, so I'm just spraying a mixture of water and leave-in treatment just to soften the hair and to make it, blend with the gel easily. I've already shown you the gel that I'll be using, which is Sofnfree, and I'm going to use wax because I love adding wax onto my natural hair just to give me that nice and silk finish. Okay, so loves, just so you should know, my hair had gel base from my previous hairstyle, so I'm not going to use too much gel in this particular style because the hair still has gel. Okay, so I started off by just parting. We're going to have a middle part, but you can always choose how you want to part your hair. Okay, so at this point my rattle comb broke, but I had to do what I had to do. The work had to continue, so of course I took my Afro Comb and comb my hair. And right about now I'm just smoothing my my natural hair using wax, and I'm using Bamsi Wax for that matter. Feel free to use any styling gel of your choice and any wax, whatever works for you, just go with it. So personally I love using Sofnfree Gel because I feel like it blends well with my natural hair, and I normally use wax just to give me that extra hold onto my natural hair. So hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Yanatungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. Okay love, so the extension that I'm using is called Guess Girl, and it is by Angels. You can get this hair at any local beauty store near you. That is what I'm using for today's hairstyle. After attaching it onto my natural hair band, I'll just grab a piece of this extension. I'm going to use it to secure a ponytail so that we have that extra security and our ponytail doesn't fall. Okay, so love, this is a donut band that you're going to use. Okay, so I'm going to flip my extension over, okay, just like you guys can see, and then after that I'll grab my donut band, attach it just like so, and then with some bobby pins I'm going to use it to secure it so that it doesn't fall. Okay, the last step will be to tack this extension onto this donut band, of which you guys are going to see in a few. So I'm going to let this video play so that you all can see and understand exactly what I'm doing, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So for this hairstyle, make sure you have enough bobby pins to just secure the hair so that it doesn't come out and stuff like that. So this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.
You are not my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete. Our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on us.